Dear students, this video provides brief introduction to the course Data Analytics for Mechanical Engineering. We are offering this particular course for the final year of Mechanical Engineering as Professional Elective Course 5. The first question comes in our mind is that what is the need of data analytics in mechanical engineering? The answer is there in the definition. Data analytics is defined as the science of analyzing the raw data in order to draw some conclusions so that the business decisions can be made. When we say data, it may be of different types. For example, numbers, text, audio or video. Especially in mechanical engineering, the mechanical vibrations or the data stored in the maintenance register, noise generated from the machine, machine failure data or the expert judgments that we collect especially from design point of view. These are the some of the examples. And in order to analyze the data, there are four approaches widely used: predictive, prescriptive, descriptive and diagnostics. Along with the four approaches, this particular course will also provide different data collection techniques, the effective way of storing the data so that it can be retrieved easily, data pre-processing and processing techniques, how to describe the data in order to learn from it, and various regression and classification models to classify the data or to make the future predictions. So these are the some of the important content we will discuss in this particular course. The teaching scheme includes 3 lectures per week. It means you will earn 3 credit. The evaluation is based on 3 examinations: IE1 and IE2 20 marks, MTE 30 marks, ETE 50 marks. So altogether there will be 100 marks. Students with knowledge of fundamentals of mechanical engineering, mathematics, statistics, AI/ML and numerical methods can opt this particular course. If you look at the course objectives and outcomes, this course focuses on certain key aspects of data analytics. It provides the fundamentals of data analytics. It will help you to select suitable approach for analysis, how different plots are used for analyzing the data in order to draw practical interpretation. This course help you to understand and compare various analytics techniques such as descriptive, diagnostic, predictive and prescriptive. Furthermore, the software packages such as Python, how it can be used for the data analysis, and most importantly the various tools and techniques will be explained with the help of mechanical engineering data set. This course has total 6 units. It starts with unit number 1 that introduces basic concepts of data science, data analytics, artificial intelligence, machine learning and deep learning. It also compares the relationship between AI, ML, deep learning and data science. The descriptive statistics are presented in unit number 2 and various data visualization techniques such as histogram, bar chart, box plots and other techniques will be discussed in unit number 3. Unit number 4 explains and compares data analytics approaches, that is predictive, prescriptive, descriptive and diagnostics. Various software packages, especially we will be focusing on Python and its libraries in unit number 5. Unit number 6 is dedicated to the applications and case studies related to mechanical engineering in various domains: thermal, design and manufacturing. The list of textbooks is provided here. Most of the books are available in the library and the soft copies will also be provided. You are also recommended to use the reference books and the e-learning material presented in this slide. Considering the market trend and demand for the artificial intelligence, machine learning, deep learning and industry 4.0, I strongly recommend you to opt the course data analytics for mechanical engineering. Thank you. Thank you very much.